What's going on? This is Variety One coming back at you with yet another video. This is my mom. You know my mom. This is my friend Sandra. Or my mama's friend Sandra. There's Kimberly. Yeah, Kimbo Slice. Yeah. Yeah, and we're doing some group fishing here. This is if you guys see this, this is the part of the
Eckleys.
fish. Yep, Eckleys Pier. Yep. Over here is where we did the last video on looking at rocks. Looking at rocks with my mama. And then so now we're putting up some squid here. Squid. And anchovies, you know, for some fishing, right? Squid and anchovies. You seem focused.
I'm focused on. I want to get my line in the water. That's what I'm focused on.
That's right.
All this tackle. I meant to have my shit frozen in the freezer on the hook, ready to go. That's real fishing. Yep. When you come pre-fished and ready. That's all I got. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Yep, that's for sure. Yeah, you know. Sandra. So we. Yep. She just got Sandra's pole ready.
Initial cast. First cast on her own. Oh, now always shake your line up here, like, tangled up around the. Hold on this side.
I'm filming. Yep. Okay, so she's trying to untangle the.
Okay, there you go. Now reel it up to the end.
And she has like some squid attached to it, as you see.
Not yet. Not yet.
Squid.
Yep. Now reel it up.
And this is her first time ever fishing, so that.
With the commentary. You can still have it.
Yep. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. These guys are fishing too. Have you caught anything, Kimberly? No, not yet. Yeah, no. I'm recording now for about 1 minute 46 seconds. So that's cool. How do you feel being on Variety 1707? Because this is gonna go on YouTube. Yee. Okay, I don't know how to take that, but she's drinking right now too. So.
Loco, baby.
Yep. Oh, fucking A. Hell yeah. So, yeah, she's waiting for a fish to come on that pole right there. So, yeah, that's that.
Waiting for the tackle.
Yep, waiting for the tackle. Yep. This is group fishing, so it's fucking cold outside too. I'm not fishing. I did fish for a little bit with some squid.
And you will be fishing again when your line is ready, right here. You're next up on the squid's chopping block.
Yep.
Squidward's chopping block.
Yep. So she's making my pole right now.
Rocks before it gets dark. So you guys for a minute. I'm sure you'll handle it great.
Well, we already did a video on the rocks.
No, I'm by myself.
Oh, by yourself, yeah.
Love on the rocks.
Love on the rock. Sounds like a freaking song. Neil Diamond. Yep. I don't know either. But this. Okay. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. That wind is boiling. I'm doing. Yeah. Mom. I'm out here, Mom. Oh yeah. So nice seeing you guys. Yeah. Yeah, we're on the video right now, man. So I'm just trying to scan everything around here, bro. This is a small channel. If you want to subscribe, you can. Yeah, sure, man. Yeah. Hell yeah. So just about done wrapping this up. So see you guys next time.